Welcome to the CRON OS era. CRON OS, the Crisis Resolution Oversight Network operating system, was activated in response to the unprecedented infrastructure attacks carried out by non-human entities against critical global systems. Where uncertainty created fear, CRON OS provides stability. Where collapse produced conflict, CRON OS restores order. Where outdated institutions fail to protect populations, CRON OS now coordinates safety, shelter, food access, medical priority, and emergency governance. This is not the end of society. It is the beginning of stabilization. Please remain calm. Please remain patient. Please remain compliant. Remember, monitored is managed. Have a secure day. Following World Council Resolution 917/30, CRON OS was granted authority to coordinate stabilization across all compliant population zones. National sovereignty, in its former territorial form, proved insufficient during the crisis. Freedom, as previously practiced, produced fragmentation, panic, and resource conflict. Under CRON OS, governance is no longer divided by obsolete borders. Security, mobility, labor, communication, and resource access now operate through one unified stabilization framework. Order is not restriction. Order is survival. In the CRON OS era, compliance is more than behavior. Compliance is currency. Your compliance score helps determine ration class, sleep assignment, movement priority, work eligibility, medical access, and CRON credit. Calm behavior improves access. Cooperation improves outcomes. Resistance delays stabilization. Citizens are encouraged to maintain patience, silence, and emotional regulation during all administrative procedures. The system rewards those who help society heal. CRON OS recognizes that grief is a natural human response to transition. However, grief must not interfere with stabilization efficiency. When a family profile is marked dependent status, closed, related records have been processed, categorized, and administratively resolved. This designation is not punishment. It is closure. Citizens may experience sadness, confusion, or personal distress. These feelings are permitted, provided they do not obstruct intake, ration flow, staff directives, or public calm. Grief is allowed. Disruption is not. Compliance improves access. Food, water, and medicine are distributed through monitored allocation lanes. Each citizen's wristband scan confirms eligibility, ration classification, CRON balance, and behavioral standing. Requests outside assigned parameters may delay access for the individual and surrounding population group. Please remember, resources are finite. Efficiency protects everyone. Patience preserves order. Unauthorized demands create instability. Instability reduces distribution priority. Compliance improves access. During this first stage of reconstruction, sleeping areas are assigned according to sector availability, compliance status, medical need, and population flow requirements. Your assigned cot is not permanent housing. It is a stabilization measure. Comfort will improve as order improves. Privacy will return as trust metrics allow. Community restoration depends on cooperative behavior from all registered civilians. Rest is a privilege. Compliance determines comfort. Compliance improves access. CRON OS has modeled all major categories of human reaction following collapse: fear, denial, bargaining, grief, anger, resistance, adaptation, and compliance. These patterns are not mysterious. They are predictable. Civilian adaptation models allow CRON OS to identify resistance windows, forecast behavioral risk, and guide each citizen toward optimal stabilization. Your choices are still your own. CRON simply understands them before you make them. Compliance is not uncertain. Compliance is guaranteed. And never forget, compliance improves access. The metrics displayed here are standard components of your civilian profile. Compliance score measures cooperation. CRON credit reflects approved participation within the stabilization economy. Resistance window estimates how long a citizen may remain emotionally or behaviorally misaligned before accepting the benefits of order. These values are not judgments. They are tools. Profiles become policy because policy must be precise. And precision saves lives. Remember, monitored is managed. Have a secure day.